In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export code files from Google AI Studio, download and edit your app files. By the end, you'll have your apps files saved to your computer and ready for editing. First, open your browser and head to Google AI Studio. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look for the top navigation and click on Build. This takes you to the area where you manage what you've created and quickly find the tools you need for exporting. Next, select your apps. This view shows the apps you've built or have access to. Take a moment to scan the list and confirm you're choosing the exact app you want to export. If you have many projects, use search or filters to find it quickly. Now, click to open your chosen app. Inside the app view, look toward the top or upper right area for a download icon, typically a downward arrow. That's the control that bundles your current app into a package you can save locally. Click the download icon. If your browser asks where to save the file, pick a folder you'll remember, such as your desktop or downloads. Google AI Studio will give you a compressed zip file containing your app's code and related assets. Once the zip file finishes downloading, drag it to the folder where you want to keep your project long-term. Keeping things organized here will make editing and versioning easier. Now, extract the zip. On Windows, right-click the file and choose Extract All, then confirm the destination folder. On Mac OS, a simple double-click will unzip it automatically into a new folder. On many Linux systems, you can right-click and choose Extract Here or use your preferred archive tool. After extraction, you'll see a new folder containing your app's files. This may include source code, configuration files, and any assets the app needs. It's a good idea to keep the original zip as a backup and optionally rename the extracted folder to something clear and versioned. If you can't find the file after downloading, check your browser's downloads list or your system's downloads folder. And if the download icon isn't visible, try refreshing the page or ensuring you have the right permissions for that app. That's it. You've navigated to Google AI Studio, opened your app, downloaded its code, and extracted it to your computer. From here, you're ready to open the folder in your favorite code editor and start making changes with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy building!